Damn, this tree fell like hard. Probably. How loud you think that joint was, bro? God damn. Probably one of those like recent storms. You know, a tree fell in front of my apartment building. Yeah, bro, it crushes a lady car. Yeah, we out here on the trail right now. Look beautiful out here. Real nice and serene, you feel? Real peaceful. About to make it to the creek soon. You can hear the water from over here. Oh shit. Huh? Oh yeah. So much brighter over here. Oh wow. We gotta find a little rock. I saw a picture online. It was basically like endless rocks. Back at it again. Got another one coming soon for y'all. Had to get y'all something new real quick before we go back to fishing. Now we're just chilling out here in nature. Told y'all last video, you don't need to get out here. Okay. Let's pick it across. My tripod just broke. There's two of them. Oh wow. It's our second time seeing butterflies. Oh my god. That way is to the main water. That way. I don't think there's a waterfall coming down. Nah. Shit. I don't know. But it's always flowing. But I mean, I've been here a hella times. I've never seen a waterfall. You feel me? We out here. I'm really just running across this nice for real. I'm not liking it. The nature boys out here. They hit me. Get outside. Y'all boys are not outside like us. Get out here. Get your butts outside. I will keep saying it. Until y'all see y'all in the comments saying that y'all outside. I'll make everyone happy. Because y'all outside watching us. It's only 12:36. That joint gonna focus. Dang, that's a pretty cool looking spider if this joint end up focusing. I might see.
waterfall's to our left.
Yeah. Waterfall to the left.
Yeah.
You know who made it.
Nah, I just ran up. I don't know why she's doing all that extra stuff with the dog.
I wonder, she was just over there. Hey, we out here. We sitting on the side of the waterfall right now. Oh yeah.
Didn't get from this big to way bigger than that.
Nah, for you caught one that big before?
Nah, but I want to. I got a fishing rod waiting to. Got 60-pound line on it, waiting to catch a 60-pound fish.
Oh yeah. Well, how many pounds are those fish right there?
Probably like 40, 50.
Oh. Okay.
You know who made it. You know who made it.
I took my mics out, but hopefully you guys can hear me good. It's quiet out here. Let's see why you wouldn't be able to. Dang, it's a whole little chimney for a fireplace. There's benches right here. Hey, it's a cool little spot. I ain't gonna lie. It's random. It's so random. It's so random. This shit hella random.